moving to the next topic, you have what are static members or static member function. Static members, also called as class members, they are created only once when the class is created, and static member function are the function which can access static members only. So in this example, you have class box. Inside box, you have a static member. So it will be created only once when the class is created. It is not different for different object. This is a single object assigned to the class box. By declaring it static, it will be assigned to box, created only once inside the memory. You have box constructor, which is initializing the data member length, breadth, height. Inside it, we are incrementing the static member plus plus. Again, you have a member function volume. We are displaying length, breadth and height, volume of the box. It has length, breadth, height as data member. So you have data members and member functions. When you are using a static member, as it is a class data member, before writing main, you have to initialize it. So int box, by box and scope resolution operator, it is a member of class box, and initially it contains a value 0. Now you're creating two constructors of box 1 and box 2. 3.3, 1.2, 1.5, 8.5, 6.0, 2.0 will be initialized to box 1 length, width and height, and box 2 length, width and height. Now what you are doing, you are printing final count. So you are calling getCount function, which is a static member function. How we see in that it is static? Because it is preceded by the keyword static. What it is using? Object count variable, which is a static member. So static member function is using static member of the class, and we are calling it via the class name box colon getCount. It is not object member, therefore it is called directly. So this object was created twice, so constructor will be called twice. Object count was incremented twice, therefore getCount function will return object count value, which is 2. So output is initial stage, first object created, second object created. After that we print getCount, and getCount value will be displayed as 2, because initially the value was 0 before main. Then one object is created, it is incremented once. Object is created, it is incremented twice. Therefore value returned here will be 2. Okay, so things to note: when you are writing a static member and static member function, they are preceded by keyword static. When you are declaring a static member function, then you have to declare preceding it by the keyword static. It can only access static members. When you are using it inside your program, they are accessed by class name, because only one copy is created and they are binded to the class. Therefore box object count for the member, and while calling inside the class box scope resolution operator getCount, static member and static member function.